Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Nested loops can be tricky, but we are going to solve this Java code segment in just a few seconds. Let's find the count. First, look at the outer loop where x starts at 0 and goes up to 3. This means our outer loop will execute exactly 4 times for each value of x. Now the inner loop starts at the current value of x. This is the key part because the number of inner iterations decreases as x increases throughout the entire process. When x is 0, we get 4 iterations, then 3, 2, and 1. Adding 4, 3, 2, and 1 gives 10 total counts. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the code and check your steps carefully.